Good evening, everyone. David here again, helping you preserve your health and your wealth through the acquisition of precious metals and, of course, using CBD and this whole new line that our natural therapeutic specialist has discovered with enzymes and proteins and vitamins, together having this entourage effect. But right now we're just doing another unboxing. I know I haven't done a video for a while. We were getting our Espanol location going. I think I mentioned that in the last video. And we're still waiting for the air conditioner to be connected, so stay tuned for that. But right now we're gonna do an unboxing, and I really have no idea, and I'm really serious, what is in this box. I can't remember, it's been a while. I haven't been able to do this unboxing, so it's just been sitting there. I think this is my July month. We still need an August, and September's coming, so we're a little behind, but we are catching up. And so, if you haven't been watching the news recently, the mainstream media has finally admitted that the economy is signaling recession, and that we might be headed into a recession. Now, we all know this already. If you watch the same people we watch, like Peter Schiff and David Morgan, Chris from Truth Never Told, Mike Maloney, you all know what's happening, what's going to happen. And the only thing is that people say, oh, you've been saying this, you've been saying this, you've been saying this. I just watched a video about where Peter Schiff in 2006 was saying, this is going to happen, you guys, housing doesn't crash, the economy is going to fall in the next year or two. He said 2007, 2008, and they were laughing at him. Well, guess who's saying that it's going to happen again? Yep, Peter Schiff. And so this is the time, and he's saying buy gold. And he is a financial advisor, certified for many decades, has a multi-million-dollar company, Euro Pacific. So he's somebody you can pay attention to, and I like to introduce you to. If you don't know who he is, Peter Schiff, check him out. And so, but right now we're doing an unboxing of our precious metal and see what this is. But yeah, the third largest drop in the stock market happened in this last week. So, ding 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 ding. Oh, I remember this. 2019, South Korea, 1 ounce, silver, Zinskrafa proof eclipse. I don't know if I made a good choice in buying this, but I think I bought it for a personal issue instead. You know, you gotta do for yourself every now and then, spoil yourself. And I'm always buying close to spot. I'm always trying to get as much silver as possible, the right purchase. But sometimes, you know, you just want to purchase something for yourself. And that's basically what I did here today. So, I don't know if you saw my last unboxing, but we got the proof with that beautiful encapsulated coin from the South Korean mint. This is another South Korean mint coin. I'm getting into China coins now too. I've always have. It's just that it's rough. It's rough. But check this out, the box. Let's see how this. It looks like you take it out, but I don't think so. I think it's gonna just open. Yep, like this. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we got a double digit again, you guys. Woohoo! Number 96 out of 1,000. So they only made 1,000 of these, you guys. So I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna go look on Ampax. I'm gonna go look at Ampax again and see, but they're probably gone. And that's another reason why I probably got this, because I knew that these would get sold out. Come on, there's only 1,000 of them. How many stacker and collectors are there? Tens of thousands, and only 1,000 of these. And I got number 96. So let's see if we can get out this proof of authenticity, so we can show you guys this first. This is the side, and the last coin came proof in that exact box shape. So, certificate of authenticity, Korea, 1 ounce silver Zinskrafa proof eclipse. Korea Minting Security Printing and ID Card Operating Corporation, Comsco. Guarantees the quality of this product manufactured by own facilities and manpower in accordance with ISO 9001 quality management system. Material: 0.999 fine silver, weight is 31.1 grams, diameter is 40 millimeters, and the finish is the proof. CEO of Comsco. And down at the right bottom corner, you're gonna see the mintage. And I was gonna purchase a little bit sooner, but I got a even lower one. But I am certainly happy with number 96 out of 1,000 collectors for sure. So I'm gonna put this back real quick where I found it. And let's see if we can show you just how it looks in the box, if you can see that. I hope you can. Hope this light's doing us justice here. I'm going to take it out so you can see it. I'm not too sure. Well, check it out, you guys. So you can, I'm gonna hold it here and then barely move it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that eclipse in the back. I guess that's why they call it eclipse. I did ask for a very low number. I asked for a low mintage number or a repeater number like 336699123234. They gave me 96. I'm happy. I'm really happy with 96. I really am. I like 369, and since I got number 96, I'm happy. Number 99 would have been cool, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. That's the back. So that's the unboxing, you guys. If you need, I'm telling you, getting into silver right now is the greatest opportunity that any of us could ever have in our lifetimes. And it's hard to contemplate that, but I'm telling you that this paper paradigm, generational, global debt-based fiat Ponzi scheme that we're all a part of, and that we all struggle and strive for every single day of our lives, and then at the end just get it taken from us and get it swiped from us and get it stolen from us through this wealth transfer that they always have happen every period and cycle that they're doing this. And so I know that putting your hard-earned wealth into precious metals like silver and gold is going to protect you in this next paradigm. Now, of course, I like to say, I mean, what's that famous saying again? At least you got your health. If you're like dead broke and poor, the only thing with that is that if you are wealthless but you are healthy, that could provide a problem because you're not able to keep up your health. Now, how do you stay healthy in this crazy world right now? It can be kind of expensive. Buying organic food, purchasing not these fast food restaurants that everybody goes to for $1 or a big old burger to fill you up, and this isn't how you stay healthy. And so if you don't have some wealth to be able to sustain your health, then your health is going to deteriorate. And the same vice versa goes the other way around. If you are unhealthy and you have wealth, then you're able to use that wealth to get you healthy. And so they both are, go hand in hand. At least you have your health. Well, if you don't have no wealth to sustain that health, then there isn't. If you don't have health to sustain your wealth, I mean, if you have a lot of wealth and you're unhealthy, how are you going to sustain that wealth? You're not going to be able to stay sustained. You're going to be using that wealth to help your health and sustain your health because you're unhealthy. So your health and your wealth go hand in hand. We help you preserve both. So if you want to get your free 15-minute consultation, just message me, call me, email me, nmbriefrelief@gmail.com is the perfect way to get a hold of me. Go to our website, again, nmbriefrelief.com. Our Facebook page at NM Brief Relief. We also have a Facebook page called NM Silver and Gold Exchange here in New Mexico, where we help and we try to get across information about your specifically wealth and how to preserve your wealth. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I am is a wealth preserver. And what we do is help preserve your wealth and teach you about preservation of wealth. And so It's a new concept, but it's gaining traction really quick. Something else I want to mention that we are doing in Espanola, New Mexico on the 31st of August. If you can please join us, go to our Facebook page, event page, Hemp Farming in Northern New Mexico, and get your seat. $25 a ticket. It ain't much. It's gonna teach you everything you need to know about getting into this industry and more history, politics, and much, much more. So please join us on August 31st at 5 o'clock in Espanola. Our natural therapeutic specialist is doing a free event on that same day, seminar at 2 o'clock at the same building on the West Side Plaza Chamber of Commerce building. And I hope to see you all there. If you like any of my videos, please check them out, share them with everybody you know, and anybody you know that could use their health or their wealth to be preserved, and assistance with that. We have a great CBD shop up in northern New Mexico that we just moved locations to, so look out for that. And give us a comment below, please. Share with everybody you know, and preserve your wealth and your health with precious metals, CBD, and of course our new enzyme line. Till next time, I'm David, and I hope to see you in the next video.